back in action. We're back in the action, boys. First off, man, I gotta thank you so much for all the really good support you guys have been giving on the channel. The past like 3 videos have actually gone up in views quite a bit. So if you guys want to hit that like button right now, I'd really appreciate it. Also, a little life update. So I was like coming back from the lake this Monday. We were on the highway. I'm driving my car. This is a beauty. The Mitsubishi Lancer. Absolutely cut out. Like everything, the steering went off. Everything went off. You had to push it to the side of the road. Tow truck came. Blah, blah, blah. Rest is history. It was awful. So yesterday I was like, man, it's like finally time to get rid of this thing. So I went out and got a new car, and if you guys want to see a video on it, I've never done something like that really. This is also my biggest purchase in terms of cars, so I think it's a nice one. If you guys want to see it, we can do it. Just comment down below. If we get enough comments of people saying, yeah, we want to see a car video, we can do it. But it's like totally out of my realm. I just don't care. As long as it looks sick and it's reliable, we're good. But let me know with a comment and a thumbs up. Also, this video is sponsored by us, our website, NameBranFam.com. I'm the CEO, the creator of it, the boss. Anyway, if you guys like jewelry, what we sell is jewelry kind of like this stuff. This is real. I don't say that to flex. I'm just saying in advance for my own safety. This is real. What you get on the website is fake. Obviously, if you check out the prices, it's all free. All you have to do is pay shipping on it. So it's not free. But you can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So if you guys want to go check it out, here's a couple pieces you guys have been digging. I really do look at that. NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. Go get your cheap jewelry that it's sick, that I think is cool. Bad sell. Alright boys, so as y'all can see by the title, I bought the cheapest jewelry off Gucci. I assume this is going to be a short video, so I thought I'd start this off with my little Gucci collection. Let's get up the minutes for ad revenue. I'm never going to lie to you guys. Also, I have had a bunch of comments before people asking for this. So what I'm about to show you is stuff that I really regret buying, really. At one point about a year ago, you know, it made the jump from making like this much money to this much money on YouTube. I was really getting my money up and I'm still in a good place. Thank you guys so much for that. So I thought with my money, I would do what every other person does with their money and buy frickin' designer stuff. So I got this thing. I mean, it's cool, it's dope. I wear it sometimes. Like at one point I was like, I think I was at a restaurant. I looked in the mirror, I had this and all my jewelry, and I'm like, man, I look like an asshole. So I don't really wear this stuff anymore. That's why I say I kind of regret it. Keep in mind, bro, that one sweater right there is like $1,200. And I usually just wear the same stuff. Like I get the shirts, I'm comfortable with it, and like I like the plain stuff. So I just like usually spend like 40 bucks on a t-shirt. Like I think this was like 40 bucks. I dig it a lot. I don't need this stuff. Up to the next one. This is another one. This is one I actually wear. If I do wear my Gucci, I wear this one because I really like the tongue on it. I think the graphic's really cool. We also got my Gucci slides, something that I will never regret because these are awesome. If you guys know like winter in Canada, especially winter in Winnipeg, it's like real cool, but I never go without wearing slides. Like I can't wear shoes. It's like some autistic thing with me, bro. I swear to God. So I'm always wearing slides. These things are honestly like, it's a lot of money for slides, but they were like $250 Canadian on the website, so it's like, it's not too bad. Also, you guys know we got the Gucci watch right here with custom set diamonds in it, and I had a Gucci ring. God only knows where that is right now. I lose everything in this frickin' place, and it's not even big. But so there's my collection. If you guys were wondering, nobody probably was, but there's my Gucci collection. All right, man, so let's get into it. We got a quick unboxing right here. Cheapest item on Gucci. Now you guys might be saying like, Brand, why are you buying something else from Gucci when you just said everything was a big mistake? Well, we haven't done any designer jewelry videos yet. I've had a couple people actually asking me. I don't really dig Louis Vuitton. I don't think their styles. The Gucci was the way to go, so I thought, you know what? Let's find the cheapest freaking jewelry on Gucci. We'll buy it and unbox it. You guys let me know what you think about Gucci though. Oh, there's the bag. Okay, card, bag, cool. So let's start with this. Gucci, thanks for shopping with us. Thank you so much. Bad. Here's the bag, boys. Now, when I went on the website, I wasn't sure what, I was gonna get. I knew I was gonna get the cheapest. It turns out the cheapest thing is actually something that I've been really wanting for a long time. Something that I've been really wanting to upgrade with what I wear daily on my jewelry, and this really worked out well. Oh, hold on one second. I gotta pull up my phone here. I'm trying to show you guys the price. I'm unprepared. So I paid $215 Canadian for that. Some American, I don't know, 180, 185 maybe. Relatively cheap if we're talking Gucci. You know what I mean? So you guys let me know if you want more designer jewelry videos. We can definitely do them. I'm not really into designer anymore unless it's Rolex. That'd be dope. Getting a nice little Rolex there. That'd be sweet. All right, boys, so here's the box it comes with. Very excited, actually. What this is, I'll tell you right now. It's a pair of earrings. Now, if you guys don't remember, I got these not too long ago. They got the real diamonds with the gold and stuff, but it's been like absolutely, like my ears flare up like I'm a flipping blimp. I feel like that kid from Up. He just looks like a balloon. So that's kind of what my earrings have been doing to me. I've been trying to get new earrings, and luckily, literally, I wasn't even shopping for earrings when I was doing this video idea, but the cheapest thing I could find through jewelry was actually earrings. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, they got nice packaging ribbon, which I don't care about. Bow. Oh god, there's a lot here. We have a bag, earrings in it, and then we got a little flip book or something. Oh no, that's instructions. What the fuck? All right, cool. Let's get into it. Silica gel engaged. Just kidding. Don't do that. Bad, bad, bad. That was a joke for comedy purposes. I gotta really wash my back with here. Anyway, this is kind of cool right there. What we got is, oh god. Oh god, they look so much better on the website. These are 925 sterling silver. Well, we're gonna have to search that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna search up how much this silver actually costs. I've got a way to do it. But what we have right here, boys, is god-awful Gucci earrings. I didn't know they were like stamped like that. I don't know if y'all can see. It's got the G and the G combined or something like that. GC, I don't know. Oh, maybe it'll be better here. There we go. So we got two of them. Check those out. So what we're actually gonna do, there's no diamonds on this. We spent, what did I say, $215 Canadian? Let's actually see what this amount of silver costs. That's how we're really gonna know if we got our money's worth. I'm gonna make a bet right now. You guys make a bet down below of how much you actually think this is worth in silver weight. I'd say $2.50. You guys put your comment down below. Honestly, at this point, I'm not gonna wear them. I'm not. I just don't dig the style. If you get it right, I will pick one of you guys and I'll send these off to you. I'll send these off to you. How's that sound? I don't want to sound like a little prick right now, but I just don't dig it. I think I dig these more, and I think I'll have my balloon ears instead of wearing these. But let's go. Let's figure out how much this is actually worth in grams of silver. All right, so here's how this works. I found this calculator. I hope it's accurate. It apparently updates every day with silver price. What you do is put in the kilograms of how much it weighs. That's why we're gonna weigh it. And then you put in the silver purity. It's 925, and then at that point it'll come up with your cost. So let's turn her on right now, and she is 0.0 ounces. Where's kilograms, bro? There we go. Okay, so it's, oh god, it's 0.002 kilograms. I'm gonna put this in the calculator and get back to y'all real quick. All right, she's all added up. If you guys don't know, 0.002 kilograms is like very light for anything. If you got it right, you might get these in the mail. What we have right here, I just calculated, I haven't scrolled down to look at it. What we have is a price of, if you were to sell, god, my money. If you were to sell it, I guess this is Gucci, so it's a little bit, it gets up priced, but if you were to sell it as silver to like one of your gold and silver shops, it is $1.64. And that's USD, bro. Oh my god, I paid $215 Canadian. You know what? No, I'm glad I got the video out. That's cool. The whole purpose of the video is not making money. So these are, this is $1 worth, and they probably get it for a lot less if they're doing wholesale and stuff like that. This is $1 worth of silver right here, boys. Look at that. We paid $215. Does that mean we took a W or an L? You guys let me know. Did we take a W or an L on this one? Seeing as the fact that I wouldn't even wear these, and I would put them in right now to show you, but if I'm gonna give them away, I don't want to do that. It's gross, especially if my ears are ballooning like the Up boy. There we go, boys. The cheapest jewelry, rapper jewelry, if you will, on Gucci. Most notably known from Lil Pump wearing it. And who else wears Gucci? A bunch of others. I'm just saying this for the thumbnail purposes. Appreciate y'all for watching. I was really stoked to kind of wear these, but they don't look that cool. They're not my style, I guess. They look chick-like, bro. What is that? And it hangs down. So if it goes my earlobe right here, it's gonna hang down to here. I don't know. That might be a cool look. I'm not sure yet. I won't ever know because I'm giving these away. Appreciate y'all for watching. Lurking the game, the greatest of all time. I'm a little disappointed. I'm trying to hide it. I'm trying to hide it with positivity, but I can't believe I just spent $250, $215 or whatever on a dollar worth of silver. Bye. Have a good day. Oh God, I have to edit this and get re-mad now. Okay, bye.